Hi, my name is Gabby and I am the English teacher here at Options for Youth Moreno Valley. If you're watching this video, that means you need to make a works cited page, and that means probably using EasyBib.com. So a works cited page is just basically a page where you list in a specific format the sources that you use to write your paper. So basically, where did you get this information from? So how you do that is you click Create Citations here. Most likely you all got this from a website, so you'd click Website. You'd find the website that you're working with. So let's say I'm writing a paper on whether or not to buy the Xbox Series X, right? I would click that. I would copy this URL up here, so click Copy. You can also Control-Alt-C, and that will copy that for you. You'll go back over to EasyBib. You'll come over here and you'll paste it in there, Control-V or right-click and paste, and then you'll click Search. So it's going to find the article, you'll click Cite, you'll look through it. Okay, so they have the article title there. Remember, titles you always capitalize, so I'll need to go through and capitalize anything longer than 3 letters you have to capitalize, so dreams. Everything else looks good, and then continue. So I come over here, again remember we need to capitalize that. Author, let me just double check. That looks like the author, yes. That looks right. Online publication, so website title, Polygon, yep, perfect. Next, publisher, yeah, still same thing. That's the URL. And then the date electronically published, it was published today, the 7th. So perfect. So next I'm going to go over to complete citation. They're going to have me watch a video. The video, never loads, at least not for me. Maybe it will for you. But that will give us access to the website for 48 hours, and if they're going to put everything in the correct format for me, I will totally watch a non-existent video for the 10 seconds that it takes or whatever. Perfect, so it created that citation. Next things next is I'm going to make another citation because I didn't just use that one website, and you should never just have one website that you're looking at. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to copy my website, paste it, search. They're going to find the website again. We're going to click Cite. It looks like they found almost everything. If they didn't find something, I need to go through and add it. I don't see an author's name there, which is something that probably will be needed. Oh, look, they messed up. So we need to go through and take out posted by. We just need that. We need the capital letter there, capital letter there, capital letter here because they didn't capitalize anything. This is longer than 3 letters, so capitalize that. And then capitalize that since this is a title. Perfect. So now that's all fixed. The website title says VGC, correct. And then this was published today, perfect. And okay, there we go. It looks like everything else is fine. If we wanted to put VGC here again, we can. It's not necessary, but we could do that. Okay, so now we have our 2 citations, and look, they put it in alphabetical order for us, so we didn't have to do that, which is great. And then we have our last thing right here, where we're going to go through and do the same thing. Sorry, my dog likes to bark. Create citation, again, another website, paste, enter, cite. Super easy, right? This isn't too hard. Okay, so says, again, longer than 3 letters. Hot. Oh, I'm going to capitalize that just because it's the beginning there. Just the beginning of that quotation right there. Okay, perfect. And then again, they messed up on posted by, so we're going to take that off. And then same thing, so VGC. Okay, complete citation. I'm going to go back really quick because I forgot to check and make sure. Okay, so it is posted on the 6th, and it is posted by that guy. Cool. So that information was correct. Awesome. Now we have this whole thing done, right? I'm going to click Export, and then I'm going to click Google Docs because I don't like downloading things to my computer. I'm going to connect my account. I'm going to sign in with my work account, and then export. They're going to only ask you to do this once, and then after that you won't have to do it again. And then there we go. You can either just share this with me, so click share, type my name, put it there, or you could send me the link. Whatever works for you. If you would like to change this so you know what it is you wrote about, so Xbox Works Cited, go for it, not a mandatory thing. If you have any questions, let me know, but this is your Works Cited page for that type of a paper.